Are you surprised this is happening? 'Cause I am. Hey guys, what's up? So Vlogmas. I've never done it before. I was thinking, oh, maybe I should do it this year. And then when I had that thought, it was November 29th, and I was like, oh shit, December is in 2 days. So, doing it anyway. Today is a Tuesday, so my Beetlejuice video is about to go up, so I'm gonna show you the behind the scenes, I guess, of getting all that prepped and ready to go. Now, I won't be doing Vlogmas every day. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna vlog when I want to and when I can. I just thought it would be something fun and different to do. Not sure why. Please ignore like this mess. I've got currently a bunch of equipment beside me that just needs to go somewhere, but yeah, why am I doing this? I'm not quite sure. I thought it would be fun. What is fun? I don't know. I also thought that maybe it would help to hold myself accountable and make me want to organize my apartment more so that I'm not embarrassed to show it on camera. So that's something. And maybe it'll push me to decorate for Christmas. Who knows? I didn't last year, but I do quite enjoy Christmas decorating. All right, so today, December 1st, it is a Tuesday, which means a regular video is going up. I had already planned that before I decided to do a Vlogmas. So I'm getting my Beetlejuice video ready to go. It's already been uploaded. Now I just need to choose some pictures and edit them to make the thumbnail and all that. So I'm gonna show you that process. I always start by importing my photos into Lightroom. There's Bianca. Oh god, I took 242 pictures of this look. That's gonna be fun narrowing down to like just one or two. All right, so let's do this. God, just me trying to use my hands in a non-awkward way, which is basically impossible. Okay, but what happens when you like all the pictures and can't decide? Oh, and then I decided to pose with the palette. Never do that, so it was weird. And here's the Lydia wig. Girl, you did not need this many photos. But sometimes it just takes a while to get it right, you know? Here I go again with the palette. I really thought I did something, huh? Alright. And so I've selected, 75 photos, and now I have to narrow it down to 2. So I basically do a selection process twice. I go through all of them, I pick which ones I like, and then out of the ones I like, I have to decide which ones I'm actually going to use. So this is gonna take me a minute. So I think I've narrowed it down to my favorites, and now I'm just trying to decide which ones to use. Sometimes I'll test the crop to see which one will look better. Like this one seems more interesting because I've got the arm here and the hands rather than this one. This one's just very simple, but I also love this one. I don't know. So sometimes I'll just try it and then go back and forth because these essentially show the same thing. They show my eyes looking down, the liner, the bottom lashes are in both. I think I like this one better because you can see my nails and stuff. This might be the winner then. And then I feel like I like this one for Lydia. Oh, I do like this one too. Then this is also showing the liner, and I've already shown it in this one. So a lot of times I'll like photos, but then I don't choose them because they're showcasing the same thing. So like if I choose one where I'm looking down, the other one can't be looking down. It's got to be a different pose, a different angle so that you can see the makeup in a different way. And that's what's tricky about choosing the final photos. Like I love this one. I'll probably post this one in the future because I love it. So I'll probably post it later in the week. On Instagram, that is. But for the YouTube thumbnail, now starts the editing process, and I'm not gonna get super into it. If you want to learn how I edit all my photos, I have a really in-depth tutorial up on my Patreon. It's a pretty intensive process. That's why I feel like I don't want to get into it in a vlog because it is a lot to explain. But yeah, I'll bring you along for the ride anyway. You can kind of see a little bit of what I do. just want to show you a little before and after. I don't change that much. I just clean it up, clean up my skin. That's pretty much what I do. But I definitely do edit all my photos. Sorry the lighting in here is so awful. I have like one window and then it just blows everything out. But anyway, so that's the photo editing process. I'm going to edit the other one now and then make the thumbnail so I can get to posting to YouTube because it's already 11:38 and I like posting my videos at 11, so I'm already like late, but it's fine as long as I post like within the next hour. I want to say I'll be okay. So I feel like some questions might come up like, why do I edit my photos? Why do I feel the need to, etc., etc. I love photo editing. I hate video editing. Like I hate making videos. I hate it. I just hate the process of video editing. I find it so tedious and so annoying and just like a necessary evil, a means to an end. But I love photo editing. If I didn't edit my photos, like this whole process would not be worth it for me in a way. I mean, I don't mean that, but I just love photo editing and I am a professional photo editor. I do get hired to do it sometimes for other people, which I absolutely love, but that's not the only reason I edit my photos. It's not just because I like doing it. It's because I want to deliver something that's polished. I try to think of it as like a finished product. I'm trying to showcase a makeup look, and so I want to make it look the best that it possibly can. And what the human eye does is that it automatically searches for flaws. Like unconsciously, people do that. When you look at an image, you look at it trying to look for quote unquote flaws. And that's just a subconscious thing that we all do. And so I just try to deliver images that will showcase the makeup in its best form without your eye kind of getting distracted by other things. Like, so I clean away flyaway hairs. I do that sort of thing because I just want the eyes to focus on what I'm trying to show them. And I feel like if people want to see my makeup unedited, no filters, all you have to do is watch my videos. I don't filter my videos. I do a little bit of color correction because my camera settings are like super weird. So I have to color correct to make the colors look like how they do in person. But other than that, there's no filters on my videos. So what you see is what you get. And I don't hide the fact that I edit my photos. I do know that I publish very, very edited photos, but it's just my personal preference, my aesthetic. I don't know. It's just what I like doing. Say hello.
Hello.
Wow, that was enthusiastic.
Hello.
That's better. So I just lost all the footage of me editing the thumbnail, but I finally did it. Here it is. Now I just have to write up the video description and add the cards and everything, and I keep note of everything that I need to add. So at 10:04, I've got to add the Lydia card. Lydia. There we go. Now I gotta add the description. I just copy and paste from a previous video and then I change certain things. So I changed this and then the products used. Oh, it's a lot of products. And then I have to get the links for all the products that are listed here. So it's a process. It takes a minute doing this. Okay, I've also written my Instagram description, and now I think all I gotta do is publish. Boom. It is live. So I finally had breakfast at 2 p.m. I woke up at like 9:30, but when I have a video to post, I don't eat or do anything until after everything's up and ready. So yeah, Vlogmas. I don't know what I'm getting into, but I thought I could do like little snippets of my day and have each day be like
a certain theme, I guess, or a certain topic. Like today was how I edit, how I prep for a video launch, and just announcing that I'm doing this. I do want to vary the type of video that I do. I definitely want to do stuff like baking and then doing my nails when I change them from the Beetlejuice nails into like a Christmas theme. Hopefully I can get around to decorating the house, and then I'd show you guys that as well. I also thought I could do like an art vlog, creating a new sticker maybe. I will have some new stickers in my shop soon, but I can't wait to make more, so maybe I'll do that one day. You know, stuff like that. I won't necessarily be vlogging my entire day, just like the most significant aspect of that day, I guess. But also not all of it is gonna have to do with Christmas. Like, I wanted to just show you my day-to-day. I do want to sit down and plan what I'm gonna film each day. And as I said, I'm not gonna be filming every day. I don't think I can realistically upload every day. If I can, then great. That will come as a huge surprise to me. But I really just want to have fun with it. I just want to do something that's like casual and laid back. I will still be posting my regular makeup videos. I do have 2 so far that are planned out. The next one is going to be another Beetlejuice video using the other palette. And then I have a Christmas look planned, which I don't know if I'm going to tell you just yet, but I think it's going to be really fun. And I just realized I haven't prepped at all for it, so I should probably get on that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of me doing Vlogmas. Let me know if there's certain things that you would like to see me do and would like to see me cover. Like, I don't know, my workout routine? I don't know. I could get into that. That's something that I try to do every day. I've been kind of missing out on it the last couple of weeks. I've been a little spotty, but you know, doesn't have to be Christmas related. Just let me know what you want to see about my life, and I will do my best to share it with you guys. So I think the rest of today is going to be pretty uneventful. I think I might plan some stuff. I might do some I should do some organizing. Yeah, because my place is a mess. So you know what? I'm going to organize. That's boring stuff. You don't want to see that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little vlog, and let me know what you think about Vlogmas. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to all my patrons who support me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.